This dashboard pack focuses on the program. And what that means is for those folks that are using the traditional program project relationship in Clarity Classic, this is going to summarize all that data. If you're not using that, then this pack wouldn't be appropriate. You can use the portfolio view, which includes the hierarchy and traditional roll-ups. So what you'll see here is you can use the drop-down to filter this summary data to a specific program that you have. You can look at the investment types, or you can pick a specific investment. We have 13 dashboards across the bottom, and so you can look at this particular one and get a summary of everything going on by the different areas. And if you want more detail, you can drill in, and here we're looking at the investment GAMP focus by status. I have the ability to change that as an example. Let's see this by the different goals as an example. And so you can roll that up and see cost reduction and so forth. You have the ability to determine what milestones you want to show. And so you can view that as we go through this process. It'll summarize all your status reports. And so as we look at the status reports, we can see the overall status here in this chart. If we want to look at it based on next milestone on track, it's going to change the view. As we look at clicking in to a specific area on the chart, it's going to further filter down. So, if you picked a specific program and you want to see all of the milestones that are on track, when I click on that, it's going to show me the list here of just those items that fit that criteria. So it really is nice to be able to get the information that makes sense. If I want to look at more detail on a specific investment, anywhere there's a list, I can drill through to that investment detail. And so in this case, I can see the investment detail for e-commerce portal. A little back arrow will take me back where I was. And then I always have the ability to drill back into Clarity. So you can see I highlight this. It has the link for Clarity, and I could click on that and it'll take me to Clarity itself. Those capabilities are going to be throughout. As I look at the change requests, again, it's summarizing that information, changing the visuals, filtering, risks, issues, effort, and we separated effort and cost. So if for those that aren't doing costing, you can look just at effort, but if you want the costing capability, you have the costs here, CapEx and OpEx. We've built in some trending, so as we look at the costs over time, in this case, there's also effort trending. And so we can see what's happening and help us make decisions, understand where we're going. We can look at the milestones summarized. In this case, we can categorize the milestones to say, hey, less than 90 days or 30 days. So it really does try and simplify you to get the information that you need with the high-level filters and then further filtering down based on things that make sense for your organization. We can then look at the tasks themselves. We can see here that we got 3 critical upcoming tasks, so we could see what's affected there. And then lastly, the staff and assignments. And so giving you the perspective of where do we sit on those projects and staffing, and giving you the ability to drill in and change the views, just like we've showed you in the other. So hopefully this has been helpful, and we'd love to see you use this pack.